Hey, my name is Jason Tiedick, and I want to share with you our proven plan for truly effortless sales presentations with ground-up money-making strategies and hands-on presentation skills. Before I do that, let me ask you a question. How are you doing with your sales? Sales presentations are a big challenge. Here's the facts. Only 60% of sales reps meet their quota, according to CSO Insights. 44% of buyers feel that only 25% of their providers help them maximize their value. 42.5% of sales reps take 10 months or longer to become productive enough to contribute to company goals. Why? Well, we decided to find out. We observed and analyzed hundreds of sales presentations to find out why they are so challenging. And here's what we discovered are your top concerns. Number one, creating urgency with the customers. Prospects saying no, being able to close more deals, increasing the value of the project, customers leaving, being an engaging face, poor relationships with customers and sales, earning trust of users, investors, and co-founders, how to hook investors and early customers, and being invited to the table. Even though sales presentations are often the number one opportunity for businesses to make money, they're often mediocre. Customers walk away and they don't move forward. Here's what one of our clients had to say about this. While many customers will admit that they're missing key service and sales opportunities and they like our program, it's sometimes difficult to get them to move forward with the program. Sound familiar? And you have to give a lot of these sales presentations to be successful. In fact, according to a Smart Company report, you actually have to give at least 5 to get up to that 80% mark. Only 1% of sales are made on contact number 1, 2 on contact 2, 5% on contact 3, and it goes up to 80 when you get to the 5th contact. If you present the right way to get your audience to move forward, well, then you can get your customers to pull the trigger much, much easier. So to help you go from opportunity lost to opportunity gained, we created Sales Bootcamp. It's a 6-module program to help you get customers to move forward even faster and with less work. In our step-by-step sales bootcamp training, you'll get hands-on training with a real live audience of sales managers to walk you through step-by-step how to create and deliver a stellar sales presentation. In modules 1 through 3, you'll learn how to prepare an irresistible menu, create your core content, and make your sales message come alive. Specifically, with the first 3 modules, how to be certain your audience will crave everything you have to say, hands-on content creation techniques to structure your sales presentation to hook your audience, the top sales strategies to make it easy for you to deliver and for your audience to follow, how to coordinate what you say and what they see, step-by-step recipes to make the content what they want to hear, not an inventory list of what you want to tell them, how to set up your presentations to prospective customers so they pull the trigger and you can get them to act fast. In modules 4 through 6, you'll learn how to start with a killer opener, command with your body, and close to applause and action. Specifically, razor-sharp sales techniques to captivate your audience within the first 5 minutes, the opener. How to use your face and body language with dynamic effect, the secret sales formula to move your audience to respond with enthusiasm. Hands-on strategies to create a assisted and engaging face and build stronger relationships, and customer delivery techniques to be able to sell someone on your ideas, and much, much more. Now, if this 6-module program sounds difficult, don't worry. We make everything simple, easy to understand, and quick to learn. In fact, you can complete the entire training in just 5 hours, which means that by this time tomorrow, you'll be able to say with confidence, I know exactly how to give a sales presentation that gets them to move forward and say yes. Instead of losing money and customers, you can get them to pull the trigger in any sales situation with a proven hands-on system for creating and delivering better sales presentations. Now, this is the same system we've used to help hundreds of our business clients with their sales presentations. So we know it works. And you'll get to see me model exactly how to do it with a real live set of sales reps and product managers. Now, here's what one of them had to say after the Sales Bootcamp program.
Jason's presentation has been fantastic so far. Excited to bring it to completion and put it into action. And I would say, my biggest goal coming into this class was primarily, one, to enhance my own presentation skills and abilities, but primarily to have my team, my product managers, grow in their skills, grow in their abilities, grow in their expertise, and really pull away some critical elements that they can improve on and then take forward into the workplace immediately. Presentations are critical to everyday life, whether it's you're at work or even if you're out of work with friends or colleagues. We're constantly presenting. And this class, whether someone is believes they're the greatest presenter or not, finding ways to fine-tune that is critical. It's a learning process. We never actually achieve becoming the best presenter. We're always constantly improving. So this class has been fantastic in regards to that. Main takeaway for me is really the power of setting the hook. What is that hook that is really going to draw people in, keep people in, and going over that perspective amongst many more has been absolutely fantastic.
In Sales Bootcamp, you can simply follow our proven, hands-on, step-by-step sales presentation training to start seeing results right away. Hi, my name is Jason Tiedick, and I help product managers and sales managers engage their customers. Today I'm going to show you how to persuade, motivate, teach, and inspire your sales managers and your customers to action. Why is it going to help me be successful? I want to know the why. Somebody help her out. Why will it make me successful if I do this? I'm going to sell more what? I'm going to sell more product. Okay, good. Anything else about what would getting this do for me? I'm going to earn their trust. Now watch this. I'm just playing with this right now, but here we go. I told you I'd give you 5 steps to the introduction. Hi, my name's Jason Tiedick. I help salespeople solidify their relationship with the customer. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn more trust and sell more product in your monthly strategy meetings. Let's get started. And there it is. Ooh. Is that a little different than how you've been starting these things? What's different about it? Throughout today, we're not only going to teach you how to build your agenda items and your hooks, we're going to teach you how to build your entire content. And then we're going to get up and actually present it so we can show you how to start it, how to finish it, and everything in between. You're going to get the whole shebang today. I got from him that y'all want to know how to engage your customers. So I put a picture of a magnet with some nails on there that just keep coming. Because that's the emotional reason you want to be here. It's not about giving a presentation. Nah. That's what you're getting. Why do you want it? You want it for that stuff. And by the way, I'm hooking the hookers right now. That didn't come out right. You know what's cool though? That's the first laughter. I was just gonna say, you're finally feeling safe and good. So I thought I'd go for it, right? I put a 45-minute saying we can go for the laughter, and I got it. So that's great. Presenters aren't born, they're made. I will argue this to my grave. Presenters are not born. Everyone who's great at this has learned how to do it.
Today's presentation was really good. Really kind of gave us a recipe and a roadmap for some of the disciplines that I bring with me coming into the class, which was a book I read maybe 7 or 8 years ago by Guy Kawasaki called Rules for Revolutionaries, where he talks about the 10-20-30 rule. No more than 10 slides, no smaller than 20-point font, and no longer than 30 minutes. And I found that through this class, what we actually got was a recipe book to help you fill in those 10 slides and help you really be very critical about the value-added content that you're going to put into the presentation, as well as the blueprint that helps you talk about the specifics on each slide while being very respectful of the audience's time. So it was great. I learned a lot.
Yeah, I would say if you have any interest in learning how to be a better presenter, as well as formatting, slides and PowerPoints and speaking skills, I think that this is by far and above the best type of training I've been involved with. So I would highly recommend it from that standpoint. The top 3 things that I learned out of this class and this course has probably been just the emphasis on just creating a clear presentation. Really, that's overall, I would say that is the top thing. And number 2, I would say the way that you can really take the skills that Jason shares and to really kind of format a understandable presentation and really just kind of make the flow happen, I would say would be the third point. So overall, I would say it's just an effective way to do that.
This training is a little different than some of the other trainings I've done in that first it's very interactive, so it definitely has a boot camp feel to it, and it does get you immersed in the subject matter real quick. And I also really appreciate the very practical, hands-on pieces of advice that we're getting from Jason, and I think those have helped me a lot kind of crystallize how I would put a good presentation together. I think some of the most practical things that I'm going to take away from this course is how to organize a presentation up front. Starting with our main takeaways and the overall hook to get the audience involved in the presentation. I think these are really great ways to start. I took this course because I wanted to be able to more effectively connect with my salespeople and impart to them the value of the products that we're bringing to market.